That nagging, tickling, persistent cough that lingers long after other flu symptoms fade can be incredibly frustrating, can't it? It can disrupt your sleep and make every conversation a challenge. When a flu cough just won't quit, the most effective relief comes from a combination of natural soothing remedies and over-the-counter medications designed to calm irritation and thin mucus. Focusing on hydration, throat comfort, and environmental adjustments can make a significant difference in managing this lingering symptom. A persistent flu cough often results from irritation and inflammation in your airways and throat, which can be exacerbated by post-nasal drip as your body recovers. Coughing is a natural reflex to clear these irritants, but sometimes it becomes overactive. Soothing these irritated tissues and helping your body manage mucus are key to reducing the frequency and intensity of the cough. Let us dive into practical steps you can take to find relief. Start by drinking plenty of fluids like water, herbal tea, or clear broths. These help thin mucus and keep your throat moist. Honey, especially a teaspoon by itself or mixed in warm tea, is an excellent natural cough suppressant. You can also try humidifiers to add moisture to the air, which can ease dry, irritated airways, particularly at night. For over-the-counter options, look for cough drops and lozenges containing menthol or eucalyptus to temporarily numb your throat. Certain oral medications containing dextromethorphan, a cough suppressant, or guaifenesin, an expectorant, can also be helpful. Dextromethorphan works by affecting the brain signals that trigger coughing, while guaifenesin helps loosen and thin mucus in the airways, making it easier to cough up. Always read the labels carefully and consult with a doctor or pharmacist, especially if you are taking other medications. For an extra layer of comfort, a warm saltwater gargle can reduce throat inflammation and wash away irritants. You can also try elevating your head with extra pillows while sleeping. This helps prevent mucus from pooling in the back of your throat, which often triggers nighttime coughing fits. Many people find relief from simply resting their voice and avoiding talking or whispering too much, which can further irritate already sensitive vocal cords. By understanding the reasons behind your cough and actively applying these soothing strategies, you empower your body to heal more comfortably and efficiently. Combining hydration, throat care, and strategic use of over-the-counter options not only provides immediate relief but also supports a smoother recovery from the lingering effects of the flu.